know why I'm like this, okay? Anyway, guys, today we're gonna make something a little different. Today we're making a taco supreme pizza. Now I've already got the ground beef going here because you don't need to stand here and watch me ground beef, right? Brown ground beef. Okay, yes. I've used 93.7, which means 93% lean, 7% fat. So I have a smidge of olive oil to help it along. So now that my ground beef is coming together, I mean, I can explain that, you know that part, right? We're gonna add some onions to this, okay? And I've got some yellow onions here, chopped yellow. I love chopped yellow onions. Yellows are my favorites, but I'm not an onion snob. How do I do that? You know, I start and I act like I'm just gonna put some in there. I know I'm gonna put it all in there. I put how much I needed. Just cray. Ooh, that smells good. Now, this meat is just about done, guys. The onions are starting to just get a little soft. We're gonna put this in the oven because it's a pizza. I feel like I started in the middle of this recipe, but I didn't. I'm at the beginning. Now we're gonna season up our meats up. So I just got some plain taco seasoning here. Whatever taco seasoning you like, use this. And use plenty of it because you want that flavor. You want this to taste like a taco. It's gonna taste like a taco supreme. Ooh. I like taco seasoning. Taco seasoning makes me happy. I mean, I don't think that's too strange. Turn the fan on. Maybe a little. Okay, it's weird. But y'all love me anyway. So I'm just putting the taco seasoning in there to get it nice and flavored up. Oh yes. And I'm gonna add just a smidge of water, like maybe a tablespoon. There. And that just makes sure that, like when you're cooking tacos and you put the taco seasoning in, you put the water in there just to make sure you get a little, I say to get like a little moisture on the sauce. See that? See? I mean on the meat. See how it goes? Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. And we're gonna add a little taco sauce to this too. Woo. We're gonna make it just like a taco. Turn my heat off. Oh. Okay. Shoot. Taco pizza nothing, y'all. Where are the tortillas? This is good already. Gonna get a little more sauce. Not much, just a little. Because I'm gonna put the sauce on the bottom of the pizza as well. Alright. That's probably the longest part of the whole process, you guys, is getting the meat and the onions together. Let's hit this meat with a little cilantro too. Cilantro is good for your heart. Yes, I'm making stuff up. That's how I cook. That's how I talk and that's how I cook. All right, there's our meat ready. Let's set this aside. And here I've got a pizza crust. Now I didn't do anything fancy today for crust, guys. I just got a store-bought crust, okay? You can make one. We've made them here before lots of times. Just whatever, okay? So first thing, I'm gonna take a little bit of this taco sauce and just put a little around the bottom. I'm not going crazy. Okay, because remember that the taco meat that we just did has the flavor in it. Turn that off. The taco meat has this flavor in it and the taco sauce is in it, and you don't need too much. But if you want more, do you? Do you, baby? I have nothing to say. Just like that. Okay, leave a little room on the edge so you have some, oh my goodness. What am I doing? There you go, okay? And I'm using my pizza stone. Now put it on parchment paper on my pizza stone. I'm a multi-step person, what can I say? All right, let's put a little bit of this meat on here. Look at that. Ooh, it smells good, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna sit up here and say like, oh, this is gonna be, I think this is gonna be good. This is about to be on and lit, okay? This is about to be lit. I'm spreading this meat on. When I eat stuff, when I cook something, anything, if it's a taco, it's too full. If it's a burrito, it's overstuffed. Whatever it is, I tell you what you won't be is hungry when you finish. There. All right. Now, when we go to bake this, we're gonna bake this in a very hot oven. Pizzas bake best at high degrees, so we're putting this in at 450, okay, for about 15 minutes. Because remember, we're just really waiting for the crust to cook because everything else is pretty much done. There's a little meat left. I think I am gonna go in there, y'all, and find me a tortilla. Pop that in. A taco shell, rather, or something. Okay, there's our meat. Cheese, right? Gotta have cheese. Ooh. And you can put the cheese below the meat or the meat below. I really don't care. Whatever. You understand? Probably should put the meat below the cheese, I guess. I don't know. Don't don't write me mean letters and stuff and tell me about like, oh, you should really put the, just make the pizza how you want to make the pizza. Let's spread some tomatoes on this. Oh yes. Okay. Now I'll be honest, you guys, I'm not a tomato eater. So when my daughter Madison saw me getting everything out for this, she was like, tomatoes, Mom? But you know what? The other people like tomatoes. But if you don't like tomatoes, don't put tomatoes. I normally wouldn't. But you know what I do when I'm cooking something that has something on it that we don't like this? I cut them big enough so you can remove them. Then you're not stuck with them. Genius. I know. All right, we're gonna put some olives on this too. It's funny that, you know, I'm not a huge olive fan. I love olive oil, but I actually like olives on pizza. I don't know, and it feels taco-y to me. Does it feel taco-y to you? Okay, there we go. It's a taco supreme. You gotta go big. Now here are some sliced jalapeños. These as well. I just sliced them, not super duper thin, but thin. Gonna lay them around, and if somebody doesn't like them, they're very easy to remove. I don't have a lot of seeds in these, just a few for the folks who would like a little bit of heat. Like my husband. He likes just a little bit. See there? Oh, this is so cute. And then we're gonna go in with some fresh cilantro. Oh, I'm sorry y'all, but that looks good. That looks good already. That does. So what we're gonna do, hold on, I just have to put a little cheese on the top for good measure. We're gonna put this in that 450-degree oven for about, like I said, maybe 15 minutes. And then we take it out. We're gonna be ready for Taco Supreme Pizza. Well, family, it's been 15 minutes and look at our amazing, delicious Taco Supreme Pizza. I'm gonna top this baby with some crema, okay? Just like, oh, actually wait, before we do the crema, avocados. I cut up some fresh avocado to put on here because I love avocado. You know what I'm saying? But you can't bake avocado. Don't put that in the oven with it. That's not right. Ooh, 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 ooh. I sing when I like the food, when it looks good, okay? There we go. I'm just gonna put a few on here, you know. And the good part is you can garnish it, you know, like you want to. Folk can do what they want to do with this thing. Okay, and here we go with some of this good crema. Look at that. Oh, my Lord. Oh, then I'm gonna put on here some Mexican crumbling cheese. Just a little bit on here. Taco Supreme. I told y'all I won't play it. I was not playing around. There we go. Crema and cheese. Now I'm tongue-tied, y'all. You can tell I'm ready to eat. And another hit of that fresh cilantro. And just like that, Taco Supreme Pizza. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm gonna put a little more cream on here. And I'm gonna cut this pizza and I'm about to chow down. I'll see y'all next time right here in the Love Lab for more Calabama cooking with Chef Lorious. That's me. Happy cooking.